This is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to edit message on Telegram. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. We've all been there. You send a message to someone on Telegram only to find out a few moments or later that you made a mistake. Maybe you misspelled a word, forgot a punctuation mark, or said something you didn't mean. You wish you could take it back and change it, but can you? Fortunately, the answer is yes. Telegram allows users to edit their messages even after they are sent. So how to do it is so simple. This video will show you how to do it. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Telegram. Now, we'll try to send message to this account. Now, I just misspelled this word and I want to edit it. You can just tap and hold on the message and you'll find there is like a pencil icon on there. You can just tap on that. Here, so you can edit the message like this. You can also add media to the message. Now you can just after that you can just tap on checklist. You have edit this message. So cool, right? But when you edit your message, someone who you sent this message to will see if this message is edited. There's a note that this message is edited. So simple, right? So that is how to edit message on Telegram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.